this symposium was, the main goal of this symposium was to discuss on the basis of the guidelines that were adopted in May by the JPI Climate Governing Board. Not in order to make new version of the guidelines, but to reinforce them. That was the main goal, the general goal. But of course the most interesting question is how to do it, how to make steps towards the implementation of the guidelines. And I have to confess that this issue is still open in our internal discussions. How to take advantage of this, of the results of this symposium. First of all, of course, we need probably next week's time to assume the results of this symposium from the first day, and also this wonderful exercise. Imagination exercise. So we need some time to process and to distribute and share with you the results. But in any case, we will do steps towards putting some pressure to our colleagues representing the different EU countries, in this case in the JPI Climate Governing Board, so that they really adopt the guidelines and the recommendations of the guidelines. We also, of course, we have to check the recommendations and check if they really fit with the input we've received today and yesterday, because I'm pretty sure that there will be some issues that doesn't really fit to what you have stated or you have argued. So we need to make some efforts to maybe make little readjustments to these guidelines, and then again go and put pressure to them to really adopt these recommendations when they are, for example, organizing and designing new calls. Calls are coming continuously, and we have to go there in order to tell them, okay, but you please adapt these criteria on open access publishing, on strongly recommending using open repositories for data, on trying to find, or at least being sensitive against the issues Elena presented for the third issue, which is probably the most the widest one, and the most difficult to be regulated. But at least be sensitive in this issue. That would be probably our message to them. And of course, we will inform you, and we'll keep in contact during the next months, and we will inform you on hopefully the progress we can make. We are going to try to involve some other processes running right now in the context of JPI climate. For example, there's a discussion running on our strategic research agenda, which it is of course a central issue because it will determine the direction JPI climate will take in the next years, probably. There's also a discussion on an implementation plan, and that can be or probably will be decisive if we are able to include these issues on open knowledge in this implementation plan. So there are a couple of challenges out there, and we'll try to at least respond to them. So at this point, just would like to close this symposium and this event. And of course, I would like to make some particular mention to those persons, first of all of you and people who's already left, for your participation, very active and enthusiastic participation, for really actively shaping from the very beginning of the event and just before, especially for those who have been involved in preparation, the sessions, and preparing the input. So thank you very much to all of you, and yeah, thank you very much, especially for those persons, or those 4 persons, 3 plus 1 person who have been really involved from the very beginning, and I referring explicitly to you 3, Chris, Michaela and Elena, but also to you, Renate. Maybe you've kindly asked to come to me because I have some detail to you to express also my gratitude. And yeah, we're in the city of Vienna, and Vienna is also known by its wine. So these 4 bottles of wine, please don't be shy. I mean, I'm not going to bring your So these bottles of wine from Vienna are just a sign of recognition for your task. Of course, I'm not going to force you to say some words, because not just saying that, expressing my gratitude explicitly to you for being so engaged, and yeah, I know that it is just a topic, but without you, it would be possible, this whole issue. So again, thank you very much. And before I really close it, I have to make some publicity and some advertising on the next JPI climate activities. And we have been discussing about transparency, but JPI climate is also concentrated on sustainability. And in this sense, next month is taking place a workshop, a virtual workshop, and also an on-site workshop in Potsdam, in Germany, co-organized by JPA Climate and also by the Institute of Advanced Sustainability Studies in Potsdam. And I thought you might be interested in at least maybe follow the outcome, or maybe directly participating in the virtual sessions. So yeah, if you're interested, you already know me and you can contact me. Okay, so that was all. Again, thanks for all. We keep in contact. Enjoy the weekend in Vienna. And yeah, see you soon. Thank you.